Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. We're going to start building our bird cage. You guys, we are going to start opening this big package. Oh my gosh. This is huge. Look at that. The comparison. That is no way.
Yes way.
Oh my gosh. Okay. So it's gonna go first. Bubble wraps are always fun to play with. First, the big fish to perch.
Where's the trays at?
The what?
The food trays.
Oh, yeah. Oh, maybe in here.
Oh yeah.
Oh, the wheels. Dish number 1 and dish number 2. Okay. Is this gonna be like the base?
Yep.
Alright. Let's start building. This requires like 2 people, right?
Mm-hmm.
Just push them in.
Okay. Easy like that.
Yes. Ah.
Okay, bring it down.
Oh. I think some of the brakes are on.
Oh, there you go.
There you go. We're almost done. Do their little trays. Little park. Can't figure out what these are for. I wonder what. You go. Brand new big cage. It's so cute. Do you guys approve? Yeah. Lemonade. Hi, Lemonade. Tweety. Hi, Tweety. I think she knows her name. Hey, you guys. We are back. It's a brand new day. Yesterday we finished our bird cage. Today we are going to work on a little project that I have in mind for the birds. So that's the reason why we're going to Menards. We're gonna buy some wood, and hopefully my little project turns the way I expect it to be. So I'm a little excited for that. We are in Menards. You guys see how beautiful that sun looks? We are out of the building, finally. Hey guys, we are back home. It is 9 o'clock, so it's a little too late to start working on our project. But what we got here, some of the wood and some paper, more wood, and what I can tell you guys is I'm gonna build a little ladder here. But what I'm doing is just drawing where I'm going to cut and start building the little project. So I'll be filming tomorrow, and we are going to upload this on, what day is it? Saturday. We'll update it on Saturday. Something that we haven't told you guys, I guess, is what we are basically looking to do is just vlog every other day. So that's why on Saturday is where I'm gonna upload my next video. But yeah, thanks for sticking around, guys, and make sure you keep subscribing. Like I said, we're gonna put videos every other day, and just basically of the every days that, like, things that we do. And sometimes I can, like I said, I can upload some pictures of me painting or building things, or I know Carlos, he likes athletic stuff, so maybe like basketball or, you know, stuff like that. But yeah, we're excited, and we will be filming some more, so just subscribe, give us a like, and, you know, comments, they're always welcome. Of course, if good comments, you know. And so, but yeah, that's basically it. So have a good night, guys, and we'll see you back on Saturday. Peace.